Urbanization is a global phenomenon, and more so in a developing country like India. Cities have grown up substantially. For example, the population in Hyderabad has nearly doubled in the last 15 years or so. So this creates substantial impact on the city resources, on the city infrastructure, and it's going to have a major impact on the environment. So there is a need to break this linkage between the growth of buildings and the increase in resource consumption.
I looked at my own lifestyle, like why are we running after this rat race? Like how you look at happiness versus GDP. If we are all going towards GDP, somewhere there is a flaw. As an architect, can we reduce the demand itself, minimize the demand of human living, and yet make it very aspirational? Organo Nandi is fundamentally an intention of creating an eco-habitat. It's not just development, it's about building a community and the whole ecosystem around it. First thing that we actually said is that our company is going to do only triple bottom line business. People, planet, and then profits.
I've always been a city boy, never knew the nuances of a village. But when I visited Nandi for the first time, I saw the passion in the developers, and they transformed a barren land to an eco-habitat and a community where the life is buzzing, and that's when I decided to be a part of Nandi.
There are 7 strands of sustainability in which we will try to measure. One is earth. How are we contributing to earth? Similarly, energy that our project is going to consume, and then water, air, people, shelter, and then food. In Organo Nandi, we have a goal to produce our own food in front of our eyes. We have 6 acres plus land for vegetables and fruits. And apart from this, we also have dairy. We produce our own milk. That is all shared by everybody. Like everybody is partner in that.
We were thinking about the sustainability, natural farming, and all of that stuff. And when we moved here, I met a lot of people who were thinking the same things.
75% of the staff, those who work here, are from the local villages. And they became multi-skilled also. Now, electrician can also repair irrigation system.
నా పేరు మమత, మా ఊరి పేరు బాకారం. నేను ఇలా ఆర్గానిక్లో పనిచేయడానికి రావడం 2 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి చేస్తున్నాను. ఆర్గానిక్లో పనిచేయడం వలన బాగానే ఉంది. ఆర్గానిక్ ప్రకృతిలో అందడానికి బాగానే ఉంది. బయట దానికన్నా ఇక్కడ ఆర్గానిక్లో పనిచేయడం వలన మనం సొంతంగా పండించినట్టుగానే బాగా ఉంది.
இன்னொன்று என்னென்னா அவங்க இங்கேருந்து இந்த பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற ஃபார்மர்ஸ் எல்லாம் இங்கேருந்து ஆர்கானிக் மெத்தடில் எப்படி பண்ணுறோம் அதை அவங்க இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு இங்கிட்ட இருந்து கற்றுக்கிட்டு போய் அங்கே பண்ணுறாங்க. அது ஒன்று எனக்கு ரொம்ப பாசிட்டிவாக பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற நெய்பர்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் கம்யூனிட்டி.
As a resident, I feel good that not only am I getting the benefit of Nandi, but at the same time, the community is taking care of the larger village community around us.
మేము ఇక్కడ పనిచేయడం వల్ల మా ఆయన, నేను, మా పిల్లలు సంతోషంగానే ఉన్నాం. ఇక్కడ మాకు ఆర్గానిక్గా అప్పుడు అది స్కూల్ ఫీజు కట్టాలన్నా దానికి దీనికన్నా ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఏమి ఇబ్బంది లేకుండా మంచిగా సంతోషంగా బాగా ఉన్నాం.
I think we as a community are healthier and happier. Everybody knows everybody and there are very healthy relationships.
இதுக்கு முன்னாடி அப்பார்ட்மெண்ட்டில் இருக்கும்போது என்னென்னா பசங்க வீட்டுக்குள்ளே விளையாடுறது, இப்போ இங்கே வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் இது பெரிய எக்ஸ்டெண்டட் ஃபேமிலி மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு. எல்லோரும் எப்போவும் ஃபுல்லாக எல்லோரும் வீட்டுக்கு போய் ஃபுல்லாக விளையாடுறது ஃபுல்லாக.
They made it very clear that environmental sustainability and good living can go together. And in addition to that, they also brought in a concept of social inclusivity.
I absolutely love Nandi. What more can I say? I would never go back to living, the way we were living before. I mean, this is my heaven.
In its own small way, what Nandi has done here is good for the planet, and being part of that community makes me very happy.
Nandi is a shining example of a building project in the entire country. It gives you a lot of hope for the future.
Now I consider myself proudly Nandian. This is how the future should be.